If you've forgotten your password for your Bank of Guam account, resetting it is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to regain access to your account. Step 1. Visit the Bank of Guam website. Go to the official Bank of Guam website using your web browser. Look for the login section on the homepage. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. In the login area, find and click on the Forgot Password link. This will direct you to the password reset page. Step 3. Enter your information. Provide the required information, such as your username or account number, and any other details requested to verify your identity. Step 4. Check your email. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Create a new password. Once you access the reset link, enter a new password. Make sure it meets the security requirements, then confirm it to complete the process. Now you can log into your Bank of Guam account with your new password. If you encounter any issues, consider contacting customer support for assistance.